All right, class, so look at this. In this lesson, we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing integers. And we need to talk about what we will do with signs. So let's look at this problem. I'll try to make sure we get at least one of each problem in. If we look at this problem, we're dividing 18 by 6. So we know 18 divided by 6, how many times does 6 go into 18? It goes in 3 times. But this is not just a normal 6. This is a negative 6. When you're dividing a positive by a negative, the answer will be negative. If you're multiplying a positive by a negative, the answer will be negative. So this answer is not only 3, but it is negative 3. All right, so then this one is simple. Negative 1 times negative 1. So when we look at negative 1 times negative 1, we know 1 times 1 is 1, but we have not just one negative, but we have 2 negatives. The rule is a negative times a negative, or a negative divided by a negative, will always be positive. So negative 1 times negative 1 is, yes, positive 1. Let's look at this one. Negative 5 times negative 7. Again, a negative times a negative will be positive. What's 5 times 7? Well, we could count that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. If you have 7 fingers up, count each one by 5, that is 35. So 7 times 5 is 35. And since it's a negative times a negative, it will be a positive number. All right, so let's look at this. This is division, just written a different way from the problem a couple problems ago. So negative 42 divided by 6. A negative divided by a positive will always be negative. So negative 42 divided by 6 is 7. But since there's a negative sign, it would have to be negative 7. And then my last one, it would be, we notice on the problem, we're dividing, again, we're doing division, and then in this case, we're doing a negative divided by a negative. So the answer will be positive. So you have negative 72 divided by negative 9. How many times does 9 go into 72? It goes in 8 times. All right, so I've reached the practice limit. I got all 5 of those correct, right? But what we need to do is, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me at cbrown@kippindy.org, or give me a phone call, or your designated teacher will be happy to help you. Just remember, a positive times a positive, or a positive divided by a positive, will be positive. A positive times a negative, or a negative divided by a positive, will be negative. A negative times a negative, and a negative times, or a divided by a negative, will be a positive number. Just remember your rules and take your time, and I promise you'll be able to get it.